Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to join a trading Discord. First, identify reputable trading communities by researching online forums and reviews. Once you find a potential server, carefully review its rules and ensure it aligns with your trading goals. Many servers require a verification process, which might involve answering questions or agreeing to terms. This helps maintain a secure and focused environment for all members. Always prioritize your safety and privacy when joining new online groups. After selecting a server, you'll likely encounter a verification process. This often involves agreeing to the server's rules, which are crucial for maintaining order and a positive trading atmosphere. Some servers might ask you to answer a few questions to confirm your understanding or intent. Once verified, you'll gain access to various channels. Take some time to explore these, understanding where different types of discussions, such as stock analysis or crypto alerts, take place. This helps you quickly find relevant information. Once you're in, it's time to engage with the community. Start by introducing yourself in the designated channel, if one exists. When asking questions, be specific and polite, and always be open to learning from more experienced traders. Similarly, when sharing your own insights, ensure they are well-researched and constructive. Remember to always adhere to the server's guidelines to foster a respectful and productive environment. Active, positive participation enhances your learning experience and networking opportunities. To truly maximize your experience, make sure to utilize all the resources the Discord offers, from educational materials to live trading sessions. Networking with other traders can provide valuable perspectives and potential collaborations, but always exercise caution and due diligence. Remember, the goal is to enhance your trading knowledge and skills. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.